Welcome back.
What do you have in front of you?
I have snake
Snake and what else?
and a frog and
A lizard,
a lizard,
a grasshopper,
a grasshopper,
and what's that little red?
frog,
A frog, good job.
and a snake.
And you've got a container in front of you.
Yeah.
Do you want to show them?
Yeah.
What's inside your container? Yeah, show
The
everyone.
string.
A string. And what did we do with the string?
Yeah. And we have to pick this one up and put it in.
We wrap the string all around the container. And now what are we going to do? We're going to put the animals?
In there.
Okay, you go do that.
Okay.
Whoop. Inside. Need to try and put it inside. Yes, good job. Next one.
I will it. I will.
Okay, do you want to give the container a bit of a shake?
Yeah.
A little shake. Just shake it around. Good job. And now,
Wait.
what are you going to do?
We can pick the egg and the lizard and the frog.
You're going to try and rescue your animals?
Yes.
Okay.
Not next to the string. I'm gonna get the snake.
You're going to try and rescue the snake first?
Where the snake come?
You can do it.
I almost got it.
For this activity, the materials you will need are string or yarn, basket, little spiders, but for this video, we have used a variety of insects. You can also use pom-poms, floating pegs, or small kitchen tongs. Using your clothing peg, ask your child to pick up the insects and carefully remove it from the web.
Concentrate.
Huh? Oh, wow.
After a few tries, Manaya realized it wasn't as easy as she thought it would be. She didn't get frustrated though, she just got more focused and really concentrated on holding the pegs together tightly while bringing the insects back up out of the web.
I got it.
Yay, good job.
He's scary.
It's a bit tricky.
He's in there. Ah.
Well done. Just
One
one more. Good job, Nene. Was that fun?
Wait, one more time.
Was it fun?
Yeah, one more time. This one.
Okay. How did you think the activity went? Was it hard or easy for you? Easy?
Okay, one more time. This
Maybe one
one.
more time. Okay.
Okay.
You can say thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.